Hello. My name is Travis Patterson, and I am going to show you how to set up notifications in Google to have Google send you unique job alerts that are specified for your industry and your skill set. All right, so let's begin. On the Google search engine, you would just simply type in jobs. And it's going to give you different options like jobs near me, jobs this, jobs that, or you can say jobs near me. So for this example, I'm going to say jobs in Chicago, and you should see a blue bar come across your screen that says jobs near Chicago, Illinois. So what you're looking at is something very unique. You'll see in my example that the first few are not just from Google, they're using the Google search engine. So something that I want to kind of share with you that a lot of people are not really familiar with because they don't build websites, but there's something called a sitemap. And these websites like Career Builder, Indeed, Monster, so on and so forth, they have to upload their website into Google in order for their websites to become searchable in your search engine. So what happens is, although Career Builder is pulling Career Builder and their clients, Indeed is pulling Career Builder and maybe a couple more as well. Same thing with Monster, LinkedIn, they're pulling what's on their networks, but Google has access to all of their job listings and their networks. So you'll see Career Builder here directly from the companies there, Under Armour, UK, survey job, just some work from home jobs. That's from LinkedIn. That's from again directly a company from there. That's from ZipRecruiter, which is another company or another website like Career Builder. LinkedIn, Career Builder, App Jobs, Pet Sitter, LinkedIn. All of these are from the other sites that you would normally have to go directly to their site. But let's say, I want to be a little bit more specific, and I want to say jobs in Chicago in customer service. I'm using one hand, so bear with me. All right, now I have all of the customer service jobs. But, as we all know, there's different ways. The same way you'll look up a flight, there's different flights and different things, different tickets, different things that Google may have access to that it'll show you 9 days ago, 5 days ago, 3 hours ago. So if you wanted to be a little bit more, I guess, in the now, you can say in the past day, if that's what you want to do. But I would say maybe the past week, if you want the freshest jobs, but definitely try to sort it by, what's near. So 10 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 1 hour ago. And this will help you, have a direct line of sight on toward getting your resume on top of everything else. So after you go through and apply for the jobs that you want to apply for, don't be lazy. Go ahead and apply the way they want you to apply, but don't be afraid to go to the company's website as well and apply directly on their website. But once you're done, or even while you're doing this, if you're not, afraid to kind of multitask a bit, down here below it says get alerts for this search. Once you do that, now it's asking you to just confirm that, you want to manage this type of alert. What happens from this point is now you start getting emails directly from Google saying that, hey, somewhere on the internet, and it's going to tell you where, this company is just posted this position. Be first. So utilize your resources. This is a great tool. It'll make you successful. Until next time, my name is Travis, and I will see you at the finish line. So you have an interview coming shortly. Congratulations. Many want one, but don't get them. The interviewer has one goal, and that is to count you out. Are you ready to answer the tough questions and qualify for the job you want? If you're ready to get started,
Click the link below, and I'll see you soon.